Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making crispy and flavorful chicken pakora, a perfect evening snack that everyone will love. Take 250 grams of boneless chicken. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, and 2 tablespoons beaten curd. Mix well and keep aside for 30 minutes. Pakora is one of the most loved street foods in South Asia. Marinate chicken at least 30 minutes for the best flavor. Now add half cup chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 1/3 cup gram flour, 3 tablespoon rice flour, half teaspoon chaat masala, and 1 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything into a thick coating. Adding rice flour gives extra crunch to pakoras. In India and Bangladesh, pakoras are a favorite monsoon snack. Every family has its own special pakora recipe. Heat oil on medium flame. Fry the chicken pakoras for 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches. Fry on medium heat for juicy inside and crispy outside. Chicken adds protein, while onions and coriander gives fiber and antioxidants, a crunchy snack that's also nourishing. Sprinkle chaat masala after frying for extra taste. And that's our crispy chicken pakora, perfect with tea or in the rainy season. Try it at home and don't forget to like, share and follow Innovin Foods for more tasty recipes.